Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make your Canva videos loop. First, let's start with the basics. You can easily create a repeating video by duplicating your design pages. This simple trick allows you to extend your video's length. Remember to adjust the timing for each page to ensure a smooth and consistent flow, making your loop appear seamless and professional. It's a straightforward process to get started. Now, let's explore some advanced techniques to elevate your video loops. Canva's Animate feature is incredibly powerful for adding continuous motion. You can select from several animation styles to give your loop a unique feel. For more complex designs, grouping elements together allows you to animate them all at once, saving you time and ensuring a synchronized effect. This adds a professional touch to your creations. Once your perfect video loop is complete, it's time to export and share it with the world. You'll want to download your creation as an MP4 file, which is widely compatible. Make sure to choose a high resolution, such as 1080 pixels, to ensure your video looks crisp and clear on any screen. Then, you can easily share your engaging loop across all your favorite social media platforms for everyone to enjoy. To ensure your video loops are truly captivating, here are a few essential tips. Aim to keep your individual video segments relatively short, ideally under 10 seconds each, for maximum impact. Using consistent background music throughout your loop will create a seamless audio experience. Most importantly, always preview your entire loop thoroughly before hitting that final export button to catch any last-minute adjustments. Happy looping!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.